Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to chart and how you can place your first order on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app, then from there you can source for product from different supplier, different category right here. To find product by different category on Xianyu, go ahead and click on this. And if I click on it, you are going to see different category of different kind of products on Xianyu, just like what you see right here. You scroll down here, you see different category right here. However, I have already sourced for the product. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and see how you chart the seller and place order on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and click on my chart box right here. Just like so. So this is the seller right here. So I'm going to open up our chart so everyone can see just like so. Right here, I've been talking to this seller about this particular machine right here. You can see my previous chart with them right here. So I'm going to go ahead. You can see the product video right here. So you can see my chart with them right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here and show you the product picture of the machine. So just like so, you can see from the seller sales page right here. So this is exactly what I'm going to order for right here in this video. So let's go back to the chart right here. Now, for you to chat with seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app, you just need to have Google Translate installed on your phone. You can see when we are discussing about the pricing and shipping fee at the long run, just like so. So I'm going to exit from here now. Then we want to make sure we have this app right here, Google Translate. So go ahead and open up my Google Translate. Google Translate is a free app that you can easily download from your Android phone. If you are using Android phone, just go to your Play Store and type Google Translate. Then go ahead and install the app. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and type in Google Translate. After you download, install, and run the setup, and then open up the app, it's going to take you to the interface right here. Set your primary language right here, while it's going to translate into Chinese traditional right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on enter text right here. So I will ask the seller, how long can you send the machine to my address if I place order now? Okay, so just like so. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and click on here to copy this Chinese character. Then I'll go ahead and open up my Xianyu app right here. Click on here and paste the text right here and send. And the message is going to be delivered. If they are online, they will reply my message instantly. But if they are not online, I will still get a response from them as long as they are available online. You can see my previous chat and response from this seller right here. So I have already given them everything and instruction. Next thing we want to do here is to proceed to place our order for this particular machine and pay the sum of 1,900 yuan to get this particular machine right here. So for us to place the order, what we want to do here is to go ahead and then click on here to proceed. But before we get to the tutorial, before we proceed, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Fish, or Chinese, or Xianyu Chinese shopping app, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on Alipay or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So next thing I'm going to do here, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Just like so. So you can see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. Allow the Alipay to connect, because you can only make payments with Alipay on this app, just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here now to proceed with payments. Enter my payment password. And payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot proof of payment right here. Then for me to see the order I just paid for, we want to go ahead and click on here. Then from the chart right here, you will see an indication and a notification that order was just placed, just like what you see right here. And for me to see the order I just paid for, I have to make sure I go ahead and click on here. Then you can see a notification right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here now. For me to see the order, go ahead and click on here. So here we go. You have the order successfully placed right here. So you can see some of the previous order I've already buy on this Xianyu Chinese shopping app from different store, as the case may be. It's that simple. Lastly, I will go ahead and exit from my Xianyu Chinese shopping app right here. I'll go ahead and open up my WhatsApp and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to order for this particular machine on Xianyu. So this is the contact of the person right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open my WhatsApp. Then lastly, I will click on attach my gallery. Then I'll go ahead and upload the two proof of payment and say payments made. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a Chinese supplier on Xianyu or Idlefish or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.